Aha, I just my bare bones beat up super micro server came in and I am hella excited to get into this thing. It was supposed to be varying on like what it looks like because the picture was not the accurate. It was supposed to be completely functioning, but maybe a little beat. We don't know. We'll find out. Oh. Come on, mother. Oh, I hate shit like this because then I gotta vacuum. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, where's the... Uh-oh. Don't tell me they put the mounting hardware inside. It sounds like it. I hope it has the... It better I need to rack this thing up. Hold on, we might have to stop here. Alright, let's crack this baby open. It sounds like they put the mounting hardware inside. Oh, they did. Why would you just let it jingle and jangle all over the... Oh, I really gotta stop buying shit on eBay. What the hell is this? Are you even mounted properly, my dude? What the... You know what I get myself into, man? What is this shit? So I just pulled this fucking heatsink off, and dude, it had the thermal paste still on, but the pin's exposed. Yo, this seller is gonna hear from me, dog. That's just not right, man. Oh. Well, that's not good. We may have gotten into a whole world of trouble here with this server shit. I am not looking forward to any of this. Ooh, boy. Alright. So a lot has happened. I didn't get a lot of it on film, unfortunately, but I took my storage server like I said I was going to do. And because it only had one hard drive and 2 SSDs, I decided to put it in this one U chassis. Although something smells like burning, so I'll have to come back and explain it in a sec. Nope. No, okay, nothing's burning. Got really scared for a sec. This fan kind of smells like it's burning. It's not the power supply, which means we can work out a solution to this. As you can see, I still have to make the memory low profile. I've ripped off half of the heatsink. Because I'm a cheap bastard and I don't want to buy another one, but god damn it, I will have to finish off what I've started. Got the front panel headers. I'm going to find out what a couple of these other things go to. Looks fine, didn't delete anything. Got to mount the hard drive to the case. A lot of dead space here, that's fine. It'll help suck in air. You know, this won't fit. This will not fit. And this is proprietary, so there's just a big gap here, just sucking in air. You know, not too happy with it, but it should look good. I'm excited. You know, the storage server, once again, 6 terabytes and 500 gig for active projects. I'm also going to stick this in here, you know, but I'm waiting for that one U mount to come so that I can do it. I'm going to have to double side tape down the SSDs. Make sure that everything works. Updates to come. So it is now morning. So to do a quick recap, in the middle of a video, got the server, came in, couldn't use this just because it'd be more costly. Although I think what I've done is more costly, so I don't really know. Put the original server that I have in here, and I still have incomplete parts. Those are coming soon, but yeah, this project is turning out to be a lot harder than I thought. Here we are working on the other server. I realized that we might have a bit of a clearance issue because I have to... Oh, maybe not. Hold the phone. Nope, it's a clearance issue. This RAM is also too tall. Oh. Yes, the hell I can. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plug in the power connectors early for this, because this board is slightly bigger than the last board I had in here, and that's an understatement. This is supposed to fit a Micro ATX board. They told me when I bought this like 2 years ago that it would be a pain in the ass, but we'll see. Okay, so we got the motherboard reinstalled. It actually had to, all of this had to come up, and it was a nightmare ordeal. But a couple things. One, I'm concerned about the length of these. I don't know if they'll be able to reach drive to drive. Two, we've lost USB 3.0 support because the header would just come up, and it's just too, if I get a right angle adapter, I might be able to save it, but I don't really feel like it. This is a server. It doesn't need no USB 3.0. And yeah, I'm glad I pulled the trigger on getting an M.2 drive, because that's it. 4 SATA ports. We're going to have 4 drives. Thankfully the RAID card fits. I have enough of these to make that happen. We shouldn't really need anything else. If I need... This is only SATA 6 gigs a second. I don't think I need another 10 gigabit network card. So we're good on that. But yeah, spacing is a little tight. The drives are going to be right up against this thing. So we'll see how that pans out. I might have to buy a low profile cooler, but we'll see. Yeah, so the main Vault storage server is finally done. It took a lot of time, and it took a lot of cramming things in. As you can see, we have a RAS right here. But we're looking at 4 terabyte drives. It's going to be in a RAID 5 configuration, so we're looking at 12 terabytes redundant. Had to stick a little fan, like I said, on the RAID card so that the thing doesn't overheat. We're looking at a 128 NVMe SSD here as our boot drive, and I fitted a Noctua L9i in here with an AMD bracket. Not the all black that I wanted, but yeah, let's get this thing configured. Whew. We are in the RAID software from LSI, and I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so we're just finishing up here. We're going to be going through the it doesn't look like my hard drive is showing up. I'll be back. Yeah, so it turns out this was a little bent in shipping, and I don't know if that's why it's not letting me boot to this. But we got 12 terabytes of redundant storage, actually 11.7 terabytes. So we're just going to go ahead and put the boot drive on the RAID itself, which is not a good idea, but it'll work. So let's get Windows installed. Okay, so I just have to go through Windows Update. We were able to finally boot. I'm a little sus that it only gives me yeah, this is why I wanted a separate boot drive. Yeah, I'm a little sus that it only gives me 10.8 terabytes of redundant storage instead of 12. But yeah, the Vault's going to be up and running long term. We'll get these updates done, and I'll do some screen capture for you guys when it's finished. Okay, and with the Vault installed, we're on my main rig right now, which is Darkfighter. If we go to network over here, we can see that the shared server, which is now the 1U rack, is installed properly. We have Darkfighter, which is the rig over here, and then we have the Vault, which now I can access from this desktop. And I have all my important files that I never want to leave, which includes like all my DJ masters from 2016 and down, photos that are important to me, drives that I've received from like 2014, videos that I've been working on that I just don't want to lose, and etc. And yeah, potentially this I'm going to turn into all SSDs. This is the SSD that I have with all the projects that I can use to this computer. And project successful. It took way too long, and the video is going to take way too long to upload, but yeah, I consider this a success. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Maybe. I don't know. Do it.